Good morning students. So ready for the first session of maths? Hope you are sitting with the notebooks and the pen and the pencil. If not, please don't get up now. Next time whenever there is a maths period, you should be ready with the notebook and the pen or pencil, whatever it is, because I will be giving you the writing work as well as the homework also, which you have to do daily. Clear to everyone now? So we will start with your first chapter, that is lesson 1, Roman numerals. All are ready with it now? Just pay attention now. Fine? First lesson. How many of you like maths? Hope everyone. If not, not to worry. We will be doing it very nicely, but you have to promise you will be doing daily homework and daily practice. Clear to all of you now? Let's start now. Your lesson 1. Roman numerals. Now I know everybody knows 1 to 10, 1 to 100. You will say, what miss? We know everything, 1 to 10, 1 to 100. 5th standard children, miss is asking about the numbers. Fine, I know you all know 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000, whatever it is. But today we are learning Roman numerals. This is totally different numbers of way of writing it, okay? So first I will write the numbers which you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I will just write the numbers 1 to 12. Okay? Now, of course, I know the numbers more than that also, even you must be knowing. But since we are learning for the first time Roman numerals, I will be writing 1 to 12 only. How do we write the Roman numerals now? 1 is rewritten as, you all know how to write capital I? Exactly same we are writing 1 as capital I. 2 as, first I will draw the column. 2 is written as 1 I and 1 more I. 2. 3 is written as 1, 2, 3. 4 is written as 1 and 5. 5 is written like this, capital V and up and down lines. This is written as 6. This is written as 7. I will just stop till here because there are different rules to write down the numbers. I will be starting with the rule 1. What is rule 1 now? I have written this as 1. So, I will explain here first. This is 1. What is the value of this is? 1. If I write it 2 times, okay, 1 and 1. How many times did I write 1? 2 times. So, if I have to write the value, so it will be 1 plus 1. How much it will become? 2. Look at this 2. Have I written it the exactly same? How many times did I write 2? 2 times. Now coming to 3. I am writing 1, again one more time 1 and again one more time. How many times did I write 1? 3 times. That means it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much this will become? 3. Look at this 3 now. Did I write 3 like this only? How many times did I write 1? 3 times. You will say, but miss, why did you write 4 like this? Why didn't you write 1, 1, 1 like this? Even this will become 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. But I did not write like that. I wrote it like this because the rule 1 does not allow us to write 1 4 times. Maximum how many can we write? 1. We can write 2 times. We can write 3 times. But 4 times it is not allowed. Clear to all of you what is the rule 1? you will be writing 1, only either 1 consecutively how many times? 3 times. 1 or 2 times 1 or 3 times 1. It does not allow you 4 times writing 1. All are clear about this? So, can you write 4 like this? No. Now, you will say, how did I write this? Before I write this, I will be writing 5. 5, how do we write it? Like this. Okay. Now, 5 is this. If I am writing, what is this number actually? This is 1 and this is 5. This is 5 and this is 1. Clear? Now, here if you are writing the number on the left side, if you are writing the number on the left side, what happens? That number is subtracted from the bigger number. This is the value of this is 1 and the value of this is how much? 5. Which is a bigger number? The bigger number is 5. So, what I have to do, if the number small number is written on the left side of the bigger number. So, out of 5 and 1, which is a bigger number? 5. So, I will be subtracting this 1 from 5. So, how much will this become? Look at this now. This is 5 and this is 1. But small number is written on the left side. So, what I have to do is from bigger number I have to subtract 1. So, how much will this become? 4. So, 5 minus 1. What is this number representing? 4. Now, coming to this is alone 5. So, it remains as 5 only. Now, the next. Where did I write the number 1? I wrote the number 1 on the right side. See, this is 5 and this is 1. There is a difference. There is a difference between this. I will rub. I am writing 1 here, 5 here. This is 1, this is 5, small number is written on left. Then I am writing 5 here, 1 here, small number is on right side. There is a difference between this and this. This is 5, this is 1. If the number, small number is written on the left side, we subtract. So, it will become 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. But if the number is written on the right side, so what do? We add. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Did I write 6 like this now? 6 is here, 5 is here, 1 is on the right side. So, 5 plus 1 will become 6, exactly for 7. This is my 5. I am writing 1, again I am writing 1. So, what is happening? 5 plus 1 will give me 7. So, this will be 5 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now, again for 8, take a minute and think over it. How will I write 8? Take a minute and think over it. Prepare the answer in your mind. How will I write? Fine. I will be writing 5 and how many times will I write? 3, 1, 1, 1. Right. How many were ready to write this? I have to write 8. That means I will be writing 5, 1, 1, 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give me how much? 8. So, this is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. How many are clear with this now? How to write 4, how to write 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, take a minute and again think over it. How will you write 9? Prepare the answer in your mind. I have to write is what? 9. I have to write is 9. Now I am writing something. Tell me, is this right according to you? 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 9. How many of you are saying this answer is right? How many of you? Okay, fine. No, this is a wrong way of writing. You will say, why miss? 5 is there and I wrote 1. How many times I wrote 1 is 4 times. Is it allowed? Just now I told you rule 1. What is rule 1? In rule 1, you can't write 1 4 times. Can you write number 1 4 times? I said no. This is wrong. Maximum how many times can you write is 3 times. But in this case what is happening? You are writing 5 how many times? 4 times, which is wrong. So, how to write 9? To write 9, see how I have written here now. I am writing. This is my 8, everybody know. Coming to 9. I am writing this and on left side I am writing 1. Before this I will explain you what is this. What is this? Capital X is there and 10 is there. So the value of this is 10. What is the value of this? 10. Now look at this. I told you if the small number and bigger number. If this small number is written here, suppose it is written 1 and this is 5. I have already explained you. How will I write? Smaller number is written on the left side. So I have to do subtraction. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. If I am writing the number on the right side, so what I have to do? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Exactly same here. What is the value of this? The value of this is 10. Which number did I write on the left side? 1. So I have to do 10 minus 1. Let's see your common sense. This is 1 and what is the bigger number I have here is 10. This is 1, this is 10. But the small number is written where? It is written on the left side. If it is written on the left side, what am I supposed to do? I have to do the subtraction. So it will become 10 minus 1. How much will this become? 9. All are clear? Why we are doing subtraction? Because what is the number? 1 is written on the left side. Now coming to 11. Think over it. Take a minute. Try to write the number. If you have the notebook, try on that also. Okay? Try. I have to write is 11. Now few of you will write like this, 5 and 5. You will say, Miss, 5 plus 5 is 10. Why did you write like this? Even this is not allowed. Now coming to 11. How will I write? I will be writing 10 here, the bigger number on left side and the smaller number on the right side. So what it is? 10 and this is 1. But the small number is written on the right side. So this will become 10, 1. But if it is written on the right side, what am I supposed to do? I have to do is addition. Plus 1. So I will be writing this as 11. So let's write 11 as 10 plus 1. How many are clear with this now? 10 plus 1. So it will become 11. For 12, how will I write? I have 10 with me and 2 I have to write. So how will I write 2? I will be writing 10. Now you people tell me, how will I write 1 and 1 on the right side or the left side? If I write on the right side, I will be doing addition. So it will become 10 plus 1 plus 1. So how much this will be? 10 plus 1 will become how much? 12. How much will this become? 12. So for this I will be writing 1 and 1. How many of you are clear till here? Now I have to write is 13. Use your common sense once again. 13 means after 10 how much do I have to add is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how much will that become? 10, 1, 1 and 1. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how much will this become? 13. Okay. For 14, can I write it like this? Tell me, can I write it like this? No, because 1 I am writing how many times? 4 times, which is not allowed. So how will I write it? I will be writing 14 as 10. And how do we write 4? 4 we have already. How do we write 4? 4 we write it like this. So 10 and I will pick up this 4. This 4 I will pick up. So next to 10 I will be writing 14. How will I write 15? 10 is there already because this is 10 and the value of this is how much? 4. Since it is written on the right side, I am supposed to do the addition. So 10 plus 4 will give me 14. For 10, what I have to add is 5. So this will become 15. How much will this become? 15. For 16, what am I supposed to do now? Think over it and then tell me. How will I do it? 10, yes. And then next to 10, how much will I write? 6. 10 and then I will be writing 6. This will become 16 and so on. So again I will repeat now, there are rules. First rule, what did we learn? We can write 1 consecutively how many times? Maximum how many times? 3 times. 1 I will be writing, I can write 2 also, I can write it 3 times also. But can I write it 4 times? No, this is not allowed. Same thing is applicable for 10 also. Okay, I will be writing 10, I can write 10 once, I can write 10 2 times, I can write 10 3 times. But 4 times it is not allowed. 4 times it is not allowed. All are clear with this, the rule? The first rule is there. Rules you can change the numbers. You don't have to mug up them. You have to just understand them. So the first one we can write 1 or 10. How many times can we write consecutively? Maximum 3 times. Then if the number, small number is written on the left side of a bigger number. So what do? We do subtraction like 1 and 5. This is 1, this is 5. If it is written on the left side of a bigger number, small number, then we do subtraction. Then the next rule, if the smaller number is written on the right side, we do the addition. How many of you are clear with these rules now? Okay, so these are the numbers, Roman numbers. Now, since you don't have, if you have textbook, fine. Otherwise, next session, whenever it is there, next period, maths period, you must sit with the notebook, pen or pencil. Because I will be giving you the writing work, I will be giving the homework, so you have to refer to it. Many of you must not be having the textbook also right now. Not a problem at all. But maintain the book. And I don't want you people to just write in one notebook, maths also, science also, English, everything in one notebook. You must maintain only one maths separate notebook. So you know this is chapter 1, this is chapter 2, this is chapter 3. I don't want mixing up of the notebook subjects. Clear? One separate notebook you must have and you must write. If you missed out any period, you leave the pages and later on you continue. Otherwise, one lesson you attended one, then you did not attend the second, then you are attending the third. So, what will happen? It will be a problem. All are clear with this? So, you will maintain. In case if you did not attend one period, then it will be you will be leaving those many pages. Okay. Now, here I will be just doing the revision of it. Let us see how many of you remember it. This is number you are aware of. I am writing Roman numeral. Let me just do the revision. Next time I will be giving the writing part of it. I am writing 1. How will I write this as? Like this. Till 3, this is 2, I will be writing like this. 3, I will be writing like this. What about 4? Let us do the revision of it. So, can I write 4 like this? 1, 2, 3 and one more time? How many of you say yes for this? I cannot. So, here I will be writing 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this the right way? No, this is not the right way. So, how will I write it as? 5, and on the left side I will be writing 1, then 5. Okay. How many of you are clear with the concept of writing Roman numerals? So, you will practice it once. Okay, you will practice it once, and then next time I will be giving you everything in writing. All are clear with this? Because today is the first day, you must not be having the notebook. Not a problem. At least you understood the concept of writing Roman numerals. How many of you understood? If not, next time 5 minutes I will do the revision. Then I will give you writing, so you can start your studies. And better study, children. Don't think that we are at home or whatever it is. You have to study daily. You want to get exams are there, you have to study. You must have the knowledge of 5th standard to go to the next class. So, if you study from day 1, it won't be a problem. So, next time when I am taking the class, you will be having whatever is done for the first time. You must have something of the previous period when I am teaching. And again I am saying, better keep the notebook, pencil, pen with you. And you have to pay full attention. Believe me, you will understand everything very nicely. Okay. So, here now rules are there. First rule was there, 1 and 10. Consecutively how many times you can write is 3 times. Then after that, if the smaller number is written on the left side of a bigger number, so what happens? We do the subtraction. Bigger minus smaller. All are clear with this? And if the small number is written on the right side, we add it. Hope everybody is clear with this. Remember, you have to do daily studies. You have to promise me. Are you promising? Will you study regularly? It's not difficult, children. Half an hour I am teaching. You can sit and revise it for 15 minutes. Is it a difficult task? Not a difficult task. But every day you will understand, and definitely you will be able to do maths without any problem. Okay? So, promise me that you are going to study every day. And homework also you will do regularly. Okay? Take care, children.